Welcome to Ploop Channel.
Great, a construction site. I love construction sites. There's lots of colour blocks to play with here. Come on, Blaze, follow me. Yes, Crusher. It looks like fun here. Yoo-hoo! Blaze, look what I can do. And I can do it too. Well, almost. Wow, Crusher, look at that big crane. Wow. Wow, it's awesome, Blaze. Look how it lifts things into the sky. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Crusher, be careful. I am not afraid. Just watch me. Whoa. 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 Oh, what a tall building. I would look so good sitting on top of that. Hey, Blaze, I know how to get up there. Watch me. Yoo-hoo! Hey, Blaze, look at me up here. Oh, Crusher, be careful up there. Oh, Blaze, I'm not frightened of heights. Whoa, I nearly fell. Blaze, get me down from here. But how, Crusher? I know. I'll ask that crane. Hey, excuse me. Hey, Mr. Crane. Hey. Oh dear, the crane has gone. Blaze, help me. Yes, I know, Crusher. I'm thinking. Maybe I can crumple lots of paper. Yes, paper. Oh, here's some. Now, where can I find more? Where? Ah, a garbage bin. Perfect. Lots of crumpled paper. I'll push it over here. Now I'll go and find more. Great. What's he doing down there? Okay, Crusher, you can jump down now. What is that? It's a safety cushion, Crusher. Here goes. Yeah! Ooh. Oh, it was actually really soft, Blaze. But what's that smell? Oh, it's all garbage, Blaze. Yes, Crusher, and now you have to be washed clean. I hate water. You'd better thank me, Crusher. Yes, you're right. Thank you, Blaze. Oh, look, I can see another construction site, Blaze. Let's go. No, Crusher, it's better you get washed first. Let's go to the car wash. Okay, Blaze. Come on, Smelly Truck.